Welded and tin plate seams are unavoidable after a part replacement. When you touch up here using base body filler, moisture can pass through the open pores of the welds and get to the filler. That leads to unsightly blistering. Therefore, seal using a two-component adhesive. The preparation of the vehicle is carried out as usual. Clean the surface with silicone remover. Then prepare the adhesive. Read the warning info and protect yourself by wearing gloves. Open the cartridge and tighten it into a mastic gun. Then put on the mixing tip. To test, press about 2 mixing tube lengths of glue onto a piece of paper. The adhesive is ready for use. But first, prepare the base body filler. Now back to the adhesive. Apply it directly onto the weld. Then work it carefully using a plastic brush and a spatula. The base body filler is next. Put it on immediately, wet on wet. Apply generously onto the adhesive. Put it on in wavy lines, making sure that under no circumstances does the filler come in contact with primed or painted surfaces. Smooth out the material. After a forced drying at 60 degrees Celsius, the filler is cured after approximately 60 minutes. Now continue with the repair of the surface as usual.